up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy BeDistinct. As you can tell, the quality is little, I don't know how it looks like, to be honest. It's in the GoPro. I got the new GoPro. This is what we're gonna roll in today. And thank you guys for all the comments on last video. I've been considering a lot of options, and I think I have like some few cars that I'm gonna go with, and I'm gonna share those with you guys. But today we're gonna ride the G35 at night with all the cool lighting and see how it is with this first person point of view GoPro. But let me show you kind of my daily routine, what I do during the day, and why I couldn't use the other camera. So let's freaking roll out, and hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna go into the garage. Yep, no cars yet. Grab our electric scooter. This is how we get to work. There's the whip, guys, the G35. All right, guys, this is a cold startup on a G35. Okay, honestly, guys, I hope you guys can hear me nice and loud, but man, I'm gonna have to roll down these windows because this car be getting way too damn hot. You got the scooter right there. Getting way too hot. And well, I'm gonna have to drive with the windows down, so people are gonna look at me kind of weird. They're gonna be like, what the freak is that guy with the local camera in his head? It's our gas tank, yo. We're freaking low, man. Good thing that this freaking fuel pump gauge doesn't work that well, so we actually got extra gas in there, which means it's a good thing. So we're gonna make it to the gas station, so we gotta go to the gas station first and put some gas on this motherfucking beast. What I tell you guys, we zooming, brothers. We zooming, brothers. Woo! About yesterday's video, I was looking at some of your comments, and you know, I considered a lot, man, but honestly, these are some of the cars I'm kind of looking into. Either a 370Z or a BMW 335, maybe a 430 if the budget allows. By the way, thank you guys, dude. I'm excited, y'all. Like, he don't want the smoke. Check this out. He don't want the smoke right here. Little small pool right here. See you later, alligator. 2 beasts for you. I'm just joking. You know my car's slow. You know my car's slow. Come on. All right, guys. This is the life of a young rich billionaire. Guys, this is what I go to. Look, I got the whole street to myself. I have to park at a mile away because I don't want to pay parking at my school because that shit expensive. They want all your money. So typing race career. Check this out. Hopefully I get first place. I don't want to be embarrassed in public. Oh, still got first, bro. Guys, I don't want to go in my car because look, guys, 107 freaking degrees. Anyways, let's get a cold start up. Actually, it's not cold, it's hot as hell. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I forgot, like I told you guys earlier, we gotta go to Walmart right now and grab ourselves a chip because this memory card, it only records up to 40 minutes. Like, I need more storage for driving like this, so I'm gonna go pick up a bigger storage. Hey, comment down below, you think if I have this GoPro on my fucking head, right, you think they'll stop me? I don't think so, because I'm not being distracted, right? But guys, so I don't know if a lot of you guys know Vehicle Virgins. You know Parker from Vehicle Virgins. He made out a shirt that says I hate Priuses or something like that, and I was like, why is he bagging on Priuses? They give freaking exceptional mileage. They're like freaking wonder gods and shit, right? And I brought this up because there's a Prius in front of us, but guys, the more you drive, the more you realize how bad these Prius drivers are, bro. They get in the way of everything. They don't give a damn if they gonna block your way, bro. They will get their way, bro. Priuses are the worst drivers. I literally research cars all day long to see like what car I like and things like that, and within my budget that I think I will have in the future. And I stumbled upon this one car, and hopefully you guys like it, dude. And I think I might go full send on that bitch. It's not a supercar, and it's not even a budget car, and that's the two things that I asked you for, right? A budget car and a supercar, and it's neither of them. It's in the middle. It's a BMW M4. I saw a BMW M4 selling for $32,000, and it only had 40,000 miles. I think that's a good ass deal. 4 GB chip. Extreme plus for action cameras. All right, guys, as you can see, it's literally 8 o'clock and it's still 1:07 outside, dude. It's freaking ridiculous here. You guys want to know what I do literally every single day at this time? I literally go play soccer at a futsal court, bro. Literally, it doesn't exist. We're currently in manual mode and it sounds freaking amazing. Hear this out. We're here in back of an Audi TT. Okay. They did the freaking fuel run, dog. They did the little fuel run from Malibu to Monterey, dog. I was mad, bro. But I'm gonna be going to Monterey this weekend. Hopefully I get to see him and get to show you guys his 4GT, bro. His 4GT. That's gonna be absolutely insane. But manual mode on the G35, man. I should have got a manual. Guys, hear the Pops and Crackles a little bit, a little bit. You got that lineup. About that, bro. You fucked up. You were supposed to park there, bro. Damn. That's not awesome.
Yeah, you gonna put that on your next vlog?
Yeah, you already know, bro. Damn, bro. Show me the turbo. Oh, you got an intake too, bro.
Hey.
Show me what's good, bro. Show me what's good right here.
Let me tell you, look. Right here, we got a V6 3.5, Nismos, S2 and Z.
Damn.
Function, Zooey, Gooey.
What the fuck? Alright, guys, we just got done with the futsal court. Let me show you guys the whip. Oh, shit. Alright, guys, this is the whip. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like it. And we're gonna go cruising downtown Sacramento, show you guys the environments and how it is, man. Let's just take a walk and hopefully you guys enjoy this talk, man. I just got out of the soccer thing and there's a guy there that he's like my he's like one of my friends and he's like a super dope mechanic and he just taught me how to drive manual, right? We're gonna do a separate video on him teaching me manual. I'm gonna go over to his house and he's gonna teach me on his Honda and we're gonna make that a video, man. See how many times I stall. I'm so upset, guys. We literally stopped in front of the Capitol, right? Like you guys can see, it's so beautiful. We stopped in front of the Capitol to take a picture for the thumbnail. I bring my super good camera and I totally forget the SD chip. And I might have to come here tomorrow. Go again through there's a cop, another cop. There's so many cops out here. We're gonna have to go through the Golden Gate Bridge again, go back through Old Sacramento, show you guys again, because I forgot to record, man. I'm still getting used to it, this GoPro, and it's not helping me. Ooh, it gave us a green light. Let's go, baby. So I don't know if you guys heard me on the vlog, but I am learning how to drive manual because I do want my next project to be manual, man. It seems like it's fun, and plus I'm getting bullied a lot, so I gotta learn manual, man. It's definitely tiring as hell, man. Holy shit. We're getting into something. There was this road over there that I wanted to show you guys. It's this lonely road, literally like this. There's a bunch of street lights. It's a straight roadway. And it's literally, there's no buildings, no nothing. It's super lonely. And I've actually been through that road. If you guys see that when I installed the headlights, I actually go down that road. But we passed by it and it was completely shut down. So I was completely bummed on that. But we still get to show you Old Sac, man. And it's gonna be freaking crazy. For those who do not live in Old Sac or live in South LA, whatever, South California, you guys get to experience a little bit of what it feels to live in the city here around California. I mean, gonna go down through here. God, those pops are absolutely beautiful. Oh my God, there's a lot of people, You gotta be careful with the people, man. You gotta love the people. You can't go to prison. You can't go to prison. But yeah, look at the scenery here, guys. It's just like old Sacramento, right? It's just what it is. It's like old school. Freaking, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful, man. I love coming here on Saturdays or Sundays. It's freaking awesome, man. Especially when, not with the cars, but you could come here and bike, and then there's like a little river over there, and it's absolutely insane. Like, the scenery here is beyond great. Attempt to do a U-turn here to get on the freeway. Sacramento, how you guys like I said, this weekend we're going to Monterey. I'm gonna learn how to drive stick next week, and I'm gonna race a 350 next week as well. So a lot of videos coming soon next week, you guys. So I'll catch you guys next week. Make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video. It helps me out so much. But what even helps me even more is when you guys comment. I like answering you guys' questions and stuff like that. So feel free to drop down a comment. I'll catch you guys next video. I'll try to get a video with Shmi 150, man. He's coming all the way from the UK, so I definitely have to get something with him if I see him. And it's for GT. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching the vlog. Bless up. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys next vlog. Peace out, amigos.